Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog, and this week I did manage to work on a few different things. The first thing being that key binding system for everybody edits. Again, I don't know if it'll be in the lobby overhaul update or something sooner, we'll see. The initial system I was working with was based on some experimental code Gasha had done a few months ago, and overall it was working, and then I started working on the user interface, got that pretty much done I think. But then, in trying to implement that and make the user interface actually functional, I realized a few things had to change about the underlying structure. So that's basically what I've been working on, is readjusting some things to function properly with the user interface. And there's definitely a bit more work left to do, but it's getting there, and it'll be out in an update soon enough, so yeah. Anyway, that's what I'll be working on starting this next week, is finishing that up, working on some designs for the lobby overhaul, because I need to figure out a more balanced version that won't require quite as much work to implement as some of our original designs for it. Now, the other stuff to do with Everybody Edits that I was working on this week was the Halloween update. It was kind of a last-minute thing, probably should have been done a little bit sooner, but people still seem to have fun with it. And as far as actual features, it added the Ghost NPC and more shadow decorations. I'm not too big on the idea of the shadow decorations, but I think they are something fun to play around with, at least for the Flash version of Everybody Edits. It's about having fun and messing around and seeing what works and what doesn't, and we can take some of those ideas into Everybody Edits universe to figure out what the best way to approach that's going to be. Anyway, the other stuff that I've been working on over these past few days has been to do with getting new hosting for our websites, LavoStudios.com, Kataya.com, Frosty.com, all those. Getting those moved to a new place. Basically, in the past, what we've been doing is hopping between different hosts to get the upfront deals, because we barely utilize the different ones and we weren't really sure what place to go with, and of course money has been an issue for quite a while. That just was the best strategy for us, but of course it was always a frustrating thing having to move every year or so. This last time we had hosting, we actually did a 2-year deal at iPage, but basically this time around I wanted to move to a place where we would stay at. So basically I wanted to find a really good yearly rate and of course a balance of features that we would make use of, and actually ended up at a place called IWF Hosting. We'll see how that goes. Basically I found out about this place on Reddit, actually, on the web hosting subreddit. It was one of the recommended ones on there. So overall it definitely seems to be a slightly smaller operation that's a little more hands-on and a lot more the kind of thing that I would want to support. So currently we're on their lowest web hosting plan because it actually fits. $54 a year is not bad compared to the other places. As a matter of fact, that's the best price I could find at all. So yeah, pretty happy with that. We'll see how this goes, how it actually functions and performs, but overall seems to be a pretty good place, especially for a really good price. But anyway, that is going to have to be it for today. So as always, I don't want to thank my contributors over on Patreon. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is down in the description below. And over there, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Chris, or Xenonetics. He's the owner of Everybody Edits, but he also has been supporting my Patreon for a little while, and he up to gold tier. So I definitely want to thank him for that. And if for some reason you haven't checked out Everybody Edits yet, I recommend that you head on over there and come play around. So anyway, I'll see you around. Goodbye.